Hello everyone. I, Ajay Kumar Singh, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic environment communication. Environment communication means exchange of ideas, news, views, message, information or emotions due to influence of various elements that encompass us. The dissemination of information and the implementation of communication practices that are related to the environment. Environmental communication also includes human interaction with the environment. This includes a wide range of possible interaction from interpersonal communication and virtual communities to participatory decision making and environmental media coverage. From the perspective of practices, environment communication as the application of communication approaches principal strategies and techniques to environmental management and protection. Environment communication is communication about environmental affairs. Environment communication is also an interdisciplinary field of study that examines the role, techniques and influence of communication in environmental affairs. Environmental communication pertains to any profession which communicate an environmental or scientific messages. This message can range from conservation of resources to promotion of product to education about community programs and anywhere in between. And environmental communications professionals are working in every sector of economy from the largest corporation to the smallest newspaper. Effective communication of an environment message can determine the fate of environmental campaign at any level, local, regional, national or global. The field of environment communication involves the study of existing communication about environmental issues and identification of methods and improve communication about environmental issues. Environmental communication seeks to enhance the ability of society to respond appropriately to environmental signals relevant to the well-being of both human civilization and natural biological system. Now moving ahead, concept of environment communication. Environment communication is the strategic use of communication processes and media products to support effective policy making, public participation and project implementation geared towards environmental sustainability. In order to develop effective environmental message, communicators need to outline the objectives of the intended communication, identify stakeholders, define key messages and identify communication method to disseminate information. We focus in this case study on identifying best practices in the formation and presentation of message in local context. So I hope you understand the topic of environment communication. Thank you very much.